What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Lost Child. Today I have another little indigenous medicine I'd like to share with you. I have a video about how to make a temazcal. You can take a look over here, see how we did it. One thing that's quite common down here is rapé. What's rapé, you might ask? Rapé is a blend of ash and tobacco, and it depends on what other ingredients they have in their local recipe. Here's some rapé to look at for you. Hardest part about making rapé is finding these little vessels to store it in. I'm going to show you now how we made it. These indigenous medicines help in cleaning the body, mind, spirit, and getting more in contact with nature and with yourself, with humanity. And rapé is no different. All that said, I have seen it used as a punishment. When we were making the temazcal, for example, the fireman, Homem de Fogo, had let the rocks fall out of the fire where they were being heated. And the shaman, or the page, held him accountable by giving him a big blow of rapé. How it works is you take a little bit of the powder, put it on your hand, put it on a friend's hand, flatten it out, make sure it's even. Take half of it, and you can use this little thing called a curipi to blow it up your own nose. Take the other half, blow it up on the other nose, and you just let it sit there and let it cleanse. You start to cry. If you could have a harder reaction, you could throw up, poop, all kinds of stuff. But it's all for cleansing, it's all for good. É para desconstruir, desconcentrar.
Para cura mesmo, para limpeza. Ainda se quiser, pode botar no pilão, dá mais uma pilada para ele misturar mais ainda a cinza e o tabaco. Mas esse aqui já ficou bom.
Grande rapé. Tchau.
Bora passar?
Nothing like the smell of rapé in the morning. You notice that we switch places when we blow each other, and that's because it's nice to do it with the sun to your back, to allow the sun to carry all your problems away into another day.